Good morning. My name is Joelle and I'll be your IELTS speaking examiner today.
Can you guess what this video is going to be about?
It's the IELTS Speaking Test!
Hi, I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Joelle.
And we are IELTS Together.
In this video, we'll be telling you everything you need to know about the IELTS Speaking Test.
So keep watching to find out
how many sections are there?
How many questions will I have to answer?
How long will it last?
What types of questions will there be?
What should I do if I don't understand a question?
How can I prepare?
So let's start with how many sections are there?
So is this statement true or false? There are 4 sections in the IELTS speaking test. What do you think? Joelle?
Well, that is false. There are actually 3 sections to the IELTS speaking test. Let's have a look at each of those quickly now. The first section is a conversation all about you.
And the second part is a mini speech about a topic.
And the third is more of a general discussion about the same topic.
So let's look at the next question. How many questions are there in the IELTS speaking test?
True or false? There are always 10 questions in the IELTS speaking test. What do you think? Charlotte?
This one is also false.
Actually, there isn't a fixed number of questions in the IELTS speaking test.
Yeah, and lots of students really worry about this and they try to think about how many questions there are, but actually don't worry about it. Just focus on answering the questions that you're asked.
So let's look at the next question. How long will the IELTS speaking test last?
True or false? The IELTS speaking test will last for around 13 to 14 minutes. Joelle?
This one is true. Generally speaking, it lasts around 13 to 14 minutes.
Yeah, and if we look at each section, they're around sort of 5 minutes each, maybe 4 minutes each, something like that. So actually the time will probably go quite quickly.
Yes.
Next, what types of questions will there be?
True or false? The questions will all be general knowledge questions. What do you think? Charlotte?
This is also false. Don't worry, in the IELTS speaking test, they are not going to be trying to trick you or ask you anything that you don't know about.
Exactly. In part 1, the questions are going to be about you. So hopefully you should know the answers.
Yeah, and part 2 is also something related to you. So it might be something like a film that you like, a song that you like, a person that you know, or it could be a story about something that's happened to you.
And part 3 will be a discussion on a topic, giving your opinion on that. So again, you can't really get that wrong. It's your opinion. Next, this is a common question that we get asked quite a lot. What should I do if I don't understand the question?
Okay, so true or false? I can ask the examiner to repeat the question. What do you think? Joelle?
This one is true. You can ask the examiner to repeat the question if you're not sure. It's fine.
Yeah, but I mean, obviously you don't want to ask every single question for them to repeat the question, but you know, sometimes, occasionally, it's okay. Finally, how do I prepare for the IELTS speaking test?
True or false? When practicing for the IELTS speaking test, you should always focus on the areas that you are not so good at. What do you think? Charlotte?
So this one is true, yes. So lots of people think that they just need to practice speaking, just speak, 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 or maybe watch videos about the IELTS speaking test. And while these things are useful, you really need to find your weaknesses because they are the things that are going to bring down your band score, probably.
Yes, so for example, if you know that grammar is a problem for you, then you really need to practice your grammar. If you don't, then that can bring down your band score. The same goes for pronunciation, which is often forgotten about.
Yeah.
Really important to practice.
Yes. And the best thing to do is to ask somebody to listen to you. So ask maybe a teacher, maybe a native English speaker that you know, or somebody you know who's good at English, just to listen to you and see if they think you have any issues with your pronunciation or your grammar, your vocabulary, or your fluency.
Also, it's a really good idea to practice with someone, to find a speaking partner. Someone who is maybe on the same level as you or who can help you with a particular area. Now, if you would like to find one for free, you can have a look at the link below. Follow that link and then you can find a free IELTS speaking partner.
So we hope that's helped you with the IELTS speaking test, and please keep watching our next videos, which will be about the other skills.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.